Hello guys, today I am showing you how we can see the connected passport in any Android device. First I want to show you the Wi-Fi name which is connected with my device. Let's see. The Wi-Fi name which is connected with my device is free Wi-Fi zone. You can see over here. Now let's start the way to see the connected passport. First of all, open your web browser and just type the link http://192.168.0.1/ or you can see it in description below as well. It will take you to the and press go. It will take you to the page of your Wi-Fi router you are connected with. It will ask you a username and password. Just type admin admin on username as well, admin admin in password as well. Then just click login. It will take you to the page of Wi-Fi router you are connected with. Now click on wireless. Then wireless security. Over here you can see the password of your of my Wi-Fi Nepal 12345 Thank you for watching the video. If it will help you, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching video.